Hello friends, today we will go to study about arithmetic progression, and by the end of this team I can say you that you can ace arithmetic progression in style in your examination. So let us start now. The chapter name is arithmetic progression. It is a class 10 Icsc board, and I can ensure you that after the completion of this live stream you will be able to ace arithmetic progression in a very innovative and helpful way. So now let us start. Class 10 mathematics arithmetic progression. So in order to before starting arithmetic progression, which we need to know some concepts like what is a sequence. Before starting arithmetic progression, we have to recall some concepts like what is known as sequence. SEQUENCE. So we can say that a sequence is a group of number which is arranged in a definite order. So sequence, it is a group of numbers which is arranged in definite order. So what is a sequence? Sequence is a group of number. Sequence is a group of number which are arranged in a definite order. So can you give me some example of sequence? I have written the definition for you. Please, if you can write in the chat box some definition of sequence, means some example of sequence. So I will write here some example of sequence for you. So example is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So can we call this a sequence that I have written for you? Can we call this a sequence? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Yes, we can definitely call it, because we can see that here each number is 2 more than the previous number. Can see what is the difference between 4 and 2? It is 2. Then what is the difference between 4 and 6? It is 2. Then what is the difference between 6 and 8? It is 2. And what is the difference between 10 and 8? It is 2. So it will go like this. So here we can see that the next number is greater than the previous number by 2. So here you can see here you can tell that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and as it goes on, it represents a sequence. Now the numbers which are the numbers now the numbers which are written in the sequence is known as elements. So if you see the previous example, now if you see the previous example, the elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So example of element is here the numbers which are written in the sequence, only the numbers, like here the example of sequence is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and the numbers which are written here are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So these numbers are known as elements. Okay, or it is also known as terms. We can call the numbers elements or terms. So it is very easy. Now we know about two things, that is we have learned about two concepts, one is sequence and one is elements or terms. Okay, now I will go to the next concept, which is known as series. Okay, so what is a series? Now series, S E R I E S. So what is a series? Now when the numbers of the sequence are connected with positive or negative sign, when the numbers of the sequence are connected, connected, connected with positive or negative sign, it is known as series. Have you understood? Now here this I have given the example of sequences 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Now when these numbers are connected with positive or negative sign, now when we connect the numbers to, we can connect like this with the help of positive sign, 6 plus 8 plus 10 and plus so on. So when you are connecting the numbers in this way, it is known as series. Okay, so I think you are understanding what I have told till now. The when we are connecting the numbers in a positive way, here we are connected the numbers with the plus sign, so it is representing a series. See, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the chat box. I will definitely answer you. If you have any doubt until what I have taught till now. See, I have taught sequence. First, I have taught what is a sequence, and then I have taught what is elements or terms in a sequence, and I have now taught what is the meaning of a series. So, series is very easy. When we are connecting the sequence with any positive or negative sign, it is known as series. Okay, now I can give another example of series like -3, -6, -9, -12, minus sorry, -6, -9, -12, -15 and so on. I have connected this sequence with a negative sign, you can see. Another example can be 2, 4, 16, 256 and so on. These all are example of series. So what is a series? When you are connecting the sequence with the positive or negative sign, it is known as series. And we should also remember that one thing we should remember, it is very important for you, that sequence, sequence, sequence and series are always used in same sense. Okay, it is always used in same sense, means you can say it is a series or it is a sequence. It is a very important point to remember. Now I will teach you how to get a progression, because this chapter is based on arithmetic progression. Now I will teach you the meaning of the progression. So what is a progression? Progression, Progression. So what is a progression? Now I will teach you this. Okay. So what is a progression? When the members of a series are written in a definite order, it is known as progression. So what is a progression? When the member of a series are written in a definite manner or definite order, it is known as progression. So what is a progression? When the member of a series, when the members of a series is written in a definite order, it is known as progression. Progression. So when the members of a series is written in a definite order, it is known as progression. So have you understood what is the meaning of progression? So we can give the example. Now I will give you some example of progression like 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on is a progression. Progression. So how it is a progression? Because you can see that the difference between 3 and 7 is 4, and then the difference between 7 and 11 is 4, and then the difference between 11 and 15 is also 4. Since you can see that it is written in a definite order, since the difference between the terms are 4, therefore the series is written in a definite order. Yeah, but if the series was not in a definite order, then the series can be written as like 3, means the difference will not be same, and the series will be written in an indefinite manner. Like it can be written like this: 3, 8, उसके बाद आपका 10। मतलब क्या है कि सीरीज जो लिखा हुआ रहेगा ना, वो क्या हो जाएगा कि मतलब जो इसका डिफरेंस होगा या एडिशन होगा वो सेम नहीं रहेगा। वो मतलब हर एलिमेंट में अलग अलग हो जाएगा, मतलब हम सीरीज जितना बढ़ाएंगे वो क्या हो जाएगा कि वो अलग अलग हो जाएगा पूरा, तब इसको हम लोग प्रोग्रेशन नहीं बोल सकते। ठीक है, हम तभी उसको प्रोग्रेशन बोल सकते हैं जब उनका बीच में डिफरेंस जो है वो सेम रहे। अगर डिफरेंस अगर सेम नहीं है तो दैट इज नॉट एन सीरीज, और जो सीरीज नहीं है वो प्रोग्रेशन भी नहीं है। मैं और एक आपको एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ प्रोग्रेशन का, जो है कि मैं दे रहा हूँ कि और एक एग्जांपल है, जैसे आपका अभी हम लोग वो करते हैं कि मतलब जो जैसे 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर जो आपका डिफरेंस है वो कितना है, 5 है, सब में 5 है डिफरेंस, देखिए। ठीक है ना। उसके बाद और एक हो सकता है एग्जाम्पल हो सकता है 5, उसके बाद हो जाएगा आपका 15, उसके बाद हो जाएगा आपका 45, उसके बाद हो जाएगा आपका 135। इसको भी हम लोग प्रोग्रेशन बोल सकते हैं। ठीक है। अभी आपको पता चला कि प्रोग्रेशन किसको बोला जाता है। नाउ वी हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रोग्रेशन। प्रोग्रेशन मतलब हम लोग को जो हम लोग जिस सीरीज में जो नंबर्स जो लिखेंगे उसको हम लोग का हर समय एक डेफिनिट ऑर्डर में ही हमको वो करना पड़ेगा, सेट करना पड़ेगा, तभी वो सीरीज को हम लोग प्रोग्रेशन बोल सकते हैं। ठीक है ना। ये तो बहुत इजी है ना। हम लोग अभी एरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में जाएंगे, मतलब हम लोग अभी समझेंगे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। ओके। नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट अबाउट व्हाट इज एरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। तो हम लोग क्या क्या सीखे अभी तक, एक बार रिकॉल कर लेते हैं। पहले हम लोग सीखे हैं व्हाट इज द सीक्वेंस, एंड देन वी हैव learned what is elements, and after that we have learned what is progression, and now we will go to arithmetic progression. Okay, then what is arithmetic progression? What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression. What is the meaning of arithmetic progression? अभी arithmetic progression is a sequence of number. What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence of number in which each term can be obtained by adding a certain quantity to its preceding term. So arithmetic progression मतलब क्या है कि arithmetic progression एक sequence है। Arithmetic, what is arithmetic progression? It is a sequence of number. It is a sequence, sequence, sequence of number. It is a sequence of number in which each term is obtained by adding the preceding term. तो एग्जाम्पल है इसका, जैसे आपका 6, 12, 18, 24, 30। तो ये एक अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है। क्यों? देखिए, इसमें जो मेरे को जो 12 जो मिला है, 12 मिलने के लिए हमको कितना ऐड करना पड़ा है, 6 ऐड करना पड़ा है। उसके बाद मेरे को जो 18 जो मिला है 12 के साथ, कितना ऐड किया मैंने, 6 ऐड किया। फिर से 24 के लिए मैंने 6 ऐड किया, और उसके बाद 30 के लिए भी 6 ऐड किया। तो यहाँ पर एक चीज़ दिखाई दे रहा है कि वो जो मेरे को जो नेक्स्ट नंबर मिलने के लिए मेरे को जो पहला जो नंबर जो है उसके साथ मेरे को हर समय 6 ऐड करना पड़ रहा है। तो अगर मेरे को एडिशन या सब्सट्रैक्शन करना पड़ रहा है वो प्रिसाइडिंग या सक्सेसिव नंबर मिलने के लिए, तो वो प्रोसेशन को हम लोग बोलेंगे अरिथमेटिक प्रोसेशन. ओके, I think you have understood. If you have any question, then you can ask me. What is the meaning of arithmetic progression? Any question, I am ready to answer. You can ask me in the chat box. So what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? वो जो प्रिसाइडिंग या सक्सेसिव नंबर है उसको मिलने के लिए अगर हम लोग कोई भी नंबर को एडिशन या सब्सट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं तो वो सीरीज को क्या बोला जाएगा या प्रोसेशन को क्या बोला जाएगा? अरिथमेटिक प्रोसेशन. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट द कॉमन डिफरेंस. डी CMM कॉमन डिफरेंस. अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन जो है उसमें एक कॉन्सेप्ट है, उसका नाम है कॉमन डिफरेंस. COMMON कॉमन डिफरेंस which is denoted by D. तो अरिथमेटिक वो कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या है? अगर हम लोग ये सीरीज देखें तो कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या है इसका? 6 है. ठीक है, तो कॉमन डिफरेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या है? ये सीरीज हम फिर से लिखते हैं. ओके, आपके लिए 18 24 30. तो ये है T1. ओके, मतलब टर्म 1 T1 है. ये कौन सा टर्म है? टर्म 2. ये कौन सा टर्म है उसका? टर्म 3 T3. ये कौन सा है? ये है आपका T4 और ये क्या है? T5. ठीक है ना? तो जो कॉमन डिफरेंस जो है उसका फॉर्मूला है आपका, हम बोल देते हैं जो कि उसका फॉर्मूला है डी टी D is equal to, what is D? D is the common difference. Okay, D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is equal to, means term 2 minus term 1. What is term 2 here? It is 12, and what is term 1 here? It is 6. So when you are taking the difference between 12 and 6, we will get 6 equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3 and so on. So it will be equal to 6. Now you have learned about what is the common difference in arithmetic progression. Common difference is nothing. It is just the difference of the successive term by previous term. Okay, it is very easy. So what is common difference? It is just the difference between the next term and the previous term. That is, here you can see I have done T2 minus T1. Okay, now I will go in the next, now I will show you some of the problems. Okay, now I will write a problem for you, mathematical problem, not real life problem. first term common difference AP arithmetic progression. Now I will give you some more example. Here we have taken the first term as 5. Here suppose we have taken the first term 18, उसके बाद आपका 20, उसके बाद आपका क्या लेते हैं हम लोग फर्स्ट टर्म ले लेते हैं 15, ठीक है ना। अभी हम लोग एक कॉमन डिफरेंस अपना दिमाग मतलब खुद से बना लेंगे। इसका हम लोग कॉमन डिफरेंस देते हैं 2, इसका हम लोग कॉमन डिफरेंस देते हैं 10, इसका हम लोग कॉमन डिफरेंस देते हैं, सोच लीजिए कितना देंगे, -5, और इसका दे देते हैं आपका 15, ठीक है। तो एपी सीरीज इसका क्या बनेगा, एपी सीरीज इसका बनने वाला 5, 7, उसके बाद 9, उसके बाद आपका 11 और उनके बाद 13, ठीक है ना। तो आपका भी समझ में आ गया कि एपी से देखिए फर्स्ट टर्म कितना है 5 है, कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना है यहाँ पे 2 है। तो हमको एपी जब हम निकालेंगे तब हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, हर टर्म के बाद 2 को एडिशन करना पड़ेगा। अभी जो सेकंड वाला जो है उसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म कितना है 18 और कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना है 10, तो पहला टर्म कितना बनेगा 18 बनेगा, पहला टर्म कितना बनेगा जी 18 बनेगा, ठीक है 18 बनेगा। सेकेंड टर्म कितना बनेगा 28, क्योंकि हमको 18 के साथ 10 को ऐड करना पड़ेगा तो बन गया 28। अभी 28 के पास हम लोग 10 ऐड करेंगे तो बन जाएगा 38, 48 and so on. Here we have made the AP series by just adding 10 in the previous number. Okay, then here in example in serial number 3, here the first term is 20 and common difference is -5. So the first term will be 20, then the AP series, then we have to subtract 5 in each terms and it will become 20, 15, 10, 5, 0 and so on. It will go on, means we have to subtract 5 in the next term. Now here the now in example 4, the first term is 15 and after that we will add 15 in the consecutive terms, like the second 30, then 45, then 60 and so on. So I have given example of arithmetic progression. Okay, so now I will give you a question and you have to answer this. So the question will be that if the sequence, I will give you a sequence is, what is the what will be the sequence I will give you. You have to answer me. Sequence AC Q U E N C, sequence होगा आपका 12, 8, 4, 0 एंड सो ऑन। तो आपका इसका क्या बताना पड़ेगा, मेरे को फर्स्ट टर्म बताना पड़ेगा, FIRST फर्स्ट टर्म बताना पड़ेगा और D बताना पड़ेगा। कोई बता सकते हैं मेरे को कि ये सीक्वेंस का फर्स्ट टर्म क्या बनेगा और कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या बनेगा? चैट बॉक्स में अगर कोई बता सकते हैं तो मेरे को ये बताइए। ये तो बहुत इजी है। सीक्वेंस है 12, 8, 4, 0. Now you have to say me what is the first term of the sequence and common difference of the sequence. Can anyone say me? If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Okay, this YouTube channel. Can anyone say me what will be the first term and what will be the common difference? So here the first term will be 12. As you can see in the question, the first term will be 12. It is the first term of this given sequence, and common difference is 8 minus 12, and that is 4. So what is the formula of common difference? T2 minus T1. Here we can see that the T2 is 8 and T1 is 4, as you can see in this given question. T2 is 8 and T1 is 4. So here the common difference will be 4, and the first term of this given sequence is 12. Okay, now I will solve another problem for you. I think this chapter is becoming very much interesting for you. So the next question will be 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. It is a sequence. A, C, Q, U, E, and C. It is a sequence. As you can see, it is a sequence. Okay, because it has a why it is a sequence? Because each term, no, the difference between the first term and the second term is 8, and here the difference between the consecutive term is also 8. So it is a question, and you have to find the first term, first term, the common difference, common difference, and the next two terms, next two terms. Will anyone help me to find this out? Anyone? Please help me to find the first term of this given sequence. Please help me to find out the first term of this given sequence. The first term, common difference, and the next two terms. Here I have given you three questions. One is the first term, one is the common difference, and one is the next two term. Here are three questions. Can you help me to find out? Please. Please like and subscribe my video, okay? It is a request to you. It is a humble request to you. Please like and subscribe my videos and this live session, so I get motivated to bring more live sessions like this to you. It will be very much helpful to you. And I will teach whole chapter, each and every chapter of mathematics like this. I will teach you. Means I will teach each and every chapter of mathematics like this. Please like and subscribe my channel. Yes, hello reaction react. I can see you. Can you help me to find the first term common difference and next two terms? It is a given sequence of arithmetic progression. Can you say something about arithmetic progression? See, I will show you this question to you. It is very interesting. Okay, so in this given sequence, I have given here a sequence, and I like to find out the first term. So the first term of this first term of the given sequence is, this is the given sequence. Here you can see that t1 is equal to 8. Here, here we can see that means the first term is 8, and 8 is the first term of this given arithmetic progression. Okay, first term. Now, then what will be the common difference? COMMON. Common difference will be, the common difference is the difference between, means common difference is the difference between the next term and the previous term. So here the next term is 16, t2 minus t1 is equal to 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. As you can see here, when when we are subtracting the next term and the previous term, it is coming as 8. So it is the common difference. Okay. Now, what is the next two terms of this given sequence? Now the next two terms. Next two terms. Here we can see that we can see that I have write the sequence up to 48. So we have to add 8 in 48, and after adding 8 in 48 we get 56. Okay, 56, and after adding 8 in 56 we get 64. So the next two terms will be 56 and 64, and the common difference will be 8, and the first term will be 8. Okay. Now I will teach you, I have taught you about arithmetic progression. Now we will go to problems. Now we will learn about how to find the general terms in a arithmetic progression. Okay. Now we will learn how to find general term in a arithmetic progression. To find the general term in a arithmetic progression, to find the general term in a arithmetic progression, PROGRESS, to find the general term in arithmetic progression. Here we have to use we use a formula. We use a very simple formula. Okay. and that is t is equal to t n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now what is the tn denoting? tn tn is denoting the general term in a arithmetic progression. General term. Okay, what is a denoting? A is denoting the first term, first first term. Okay, then what is d denoting? D is denoting the common difference. Common difference. DFFERENC. And what is n denoting? N is denoting the number of terms. N, it is denoting number of terms. Okay, so here I have written a general formula to find out arithmetic progression, and if it is a very simple formula, and it is tn is equal to tn is denoting the general term which we are finding, a is denoting the first term, d is denoting the common difference, and n is denoting the number of terms. Okay, so now here we can say that if we like to if we like to find the fifth term, now I will show you. If we like to find, if we like to find the fifth term, that is fifth term, we will write as t5 is equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into d, and which is a plus 4d. Okay, now you have understood what the formula is telling to you. The formula is telling, if we like to find the fifth term, then we will write like this: t5 is equal to a plus 4d. Okay, now if we like to find the first term, like t1 is equal to, t1 is denoting the first term, so when we are putting this a plus 1 minus 1 into d is equal to a plus 0d is equal to a. So you can see that the first term of the arithmetic progression is always a, that is the number which is written in the starting of a sequence or series. Okay, so it is very easy. Now we can now I am going to say you, when d is 0, when the common difference, that is cd or d is greater than 0, then AP arithmetic progression is increasing in nature. Okay, when D is less than 0, then AP is decreasing in nature. Okay, and when D is equal to 0, then all the terms of the AP is same. Okay. So now I will solve a question for you, like when. So here is a question. It is given as we have to find the AP. Question: find the AP whose nth term is 4n plus 5. Now we can say that in this AP the nth term is 4n plus 5. Now we will find the n1. Okay, now we will find the first term. First term. What will be the first term? That is t1 is equal to 4 into 1 plus 5 is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then what will be the second term? Second term will be 4 into 2 plus 5 is equal to 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Now what will be the third term? T3 is equal to 4 into 3 plus 5 is equal to 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Now sorry 4 into 4 plus 5 is equal to 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. So can we say that it is denoting arithmetic progression? Now I will write it in this sequence like 9, 13, 17, 21 and so on. So here you can see that the difference between the first term and the second term is 4. And then second term and third term is 4. And third term and fifth term is 4. So here you can see that it is a sequence and it is also denoting arithmetic progression. Okay, now you have understood what is arithmetic progression in a complete way. I think you have understood now that what is a arithmetic progression. Please give me a thumbs up if you are hearing me, and please like and subscribe my channel if you want to get more informational videos. Like I will teach all the mathematics chapter of class 10 in this channel. Today I have started arithmetic progression, but I will teach all the chapters of class 10. Okay, and this will be very much helpful to you. Please give me some thumbs up. You have understood what you have understood till now, what I have told. Please like my channel. Here another question is given as we have to find the nth term, like what will be nth term and the 20th term. We have to find what we have to find the nth term and the 20th term, okay, of the given sequence of the given sequence 9, 5, 1, -3 and so on. So the nth term, so now we have to find the nth term of this. So here we have to solve this question like this. In order to find the nth term, what we have to do? We have to write like this: Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so it is the first question, that is we are finding the nth term. Now Tn is equal to, what is the first term of this given sequence or series? It is known as, it is 9, plus we have to find the nth term, so we will write in this way only: n minus 1 into, what's the common difference, means what is the difference between the second term and the first term? It is 4. Okay, we have written now 9 plus n minus 1 into, oh, I have written the same line twice, so I'll erase it and I will write is equal to 9 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to 5 plus 4n. So, oh no, here I have written as, it will be the common difference will be minus 4. Here the common difference will be C. Here the common difference for the sum will be 5 minus 9 is equal to minus 4. Sorry. Okay. So here the common difference will be minus 4. Now I will write this answer as is equal to 9 plus equal to 9 minus 4n plus 4 is equal to 13 minus 4n. So the answer for the nth term will be 13 minus 4n. And now we have to find the 20th term. As you can see in this question, we have to find the 20th term. Now T20 is equal to, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now we will write as is equal to a will be 9. Oh no, we will write as, see, where we will write 13 minus 4 into 20 is equal to 13 minus 80 is equal to minus 67. Since we have got, now you can see what I have done. Since we have got the nth term as 13 minus 4n, it is the nth term. It is the nth term. Therefore, we can say that if we put, now we have to find the 20 term. So I will put 20, that is the number of, here we have to find the 20 term. So in place of n, means in the equation of nth term, in place of n we have to put 20. See, that is only I have done. I have put 20 in place of n of the equation Tn. So here I have got the answer as minus 67. Thank you. Now we will do some advanced questions, like we will find the AP. Now question is find the AP whose second term is 12, whose second term is 12 and seventh term exceed the fourth by 15. So here the question is given as the second term is 12, that is T2 is equal to 12, and here the question is also, and here the question is given as second term is 12. See, here it is given as second term is 12, so we can write it as T2 is equal to 12, and in the next line it is given as the seventh term exceed the fourth by 15. So here it is written as T7 minus T4 is equal to 15. So now you can see here it is also given as T7 minus T4 is equal to 15. Okay, that is the seventh term. The difference between the seventh term and the fourth term is 15. Now we will solve this now we will solve this question, and we'll try to find the arithmetic progression for this given question. So how to find the second term? Now I will write the Tn. Now Tn is equal to Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here T2 is equal to a plus 2 minus 1 into d is equal to a plus d. Okay, now the value of a plus d is 12. See, that is T2. T2 is equal to a plus d is equal to 12, or a plus d is equal to 12. Now T7 will be a plus 6d. If we put 7 in this formula, Tn, then we get a plus 6d and T4 is equal to a plus 3d. Just by putting the value of n in the formula Tn, we are getting T7 and T4. Therefore, a plus 6d minus a plus 3d is equal to how much? 15. Since here it is given, see here it is given T7 minus T4 is equal to 15. So by putting the formula in this equation, we get a plus 6d minus a plus 3d is equal to 15. Therefore, a plus 6d minus a minus 3d is equal to 15. So a cut, that is 6d minus 3d is equal to 3d is equal to 15. Therefore, d is equal to 15 by 3 is equal to 5. Okay. Now, here it is given that T2 is equal to how much it is given? T2 is given as 12, and we can write T2 as a plus d is equal to 12. Now putting the value of d in this given equation. So how you will get the value of d? We will write this one. Here we have found that d is 5. Therefore, a plus 5 is equal to 12. Therefore, a is equal to 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Therefore, we have got a is equal to 7 and d is equal to 5. Therefore, now we can write the arithmetic progression. Therefore, the arithmetic progression of this problem will be arithmetic progression of this problem will be a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. So a will be 7 and so on. So a will be 7, then after that a plus 5 means 7 plus 5 will be 12. 12 plus 5 will be 17. 17 plus 5 will be 22, and so on. Okay. Now, can you solve one? Now I will give you a problem and you have to solve. Can you solve this problem for me? Here the sixth term is given as, here we have to find the AP. Find the AP in which the sixth term is 5 and tenth term is how much? 9. Can you find this? I will wait. I think you have learned AP till now, what I have told you. So can you help me to find out this question? If the sixth term is given as 5 and 10th term is given as 9. So when to solve this question, here it is given as so. Can anyone help me to find this question? So here it is given as I am showing you the solution of this question. Okay. So this it is given as 6 term. So sixth term, that is T6 is equal to A plus 5D, and 10 term T10 is equal to A plus 9D. So A plus 5D is given as 5 and A plus 9D is given as 10. So by performing the linear equation in two variables formula, we get minus minus minus. Now A cut, it is minus 4D equal to minus 10 term is given as 9. Okay. Very much sorry. It is given as A plus 5D is equal to 5 and A plus 9D is equal to 9. So minus minus minus, so A cut, it will come as minus 4D is equal to minus 4, that is D is equal to 1. Therefore A plus 5D is equal to 5 epsilon A plus 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Therefore A plus 5 is equal to 5. Therefore A is equal to 0. So we have got the first term as 0 and common difference is 1. Therefore we can say that AP, arithmetic progression of the series, is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, now it is very easy for you to find out because I have shown you. So I think you have learned about arithmetic progression in this live stream. So if you like my classes, then please like and subscribe my channel and this live stream so that I get motivated and bring more informative and helpful videos for you so that you can learn mathematics in a very easy and innovative way. So thank you friends. So thank you friends. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Like and please like and subscribe my channel so that I can bring more helpful and important videos for you. Please like and subscribe my channel so that I can bring more informative videos for you. Okay, please like and subscribe my channel. I have in this live stream I have completed the whole arithmetic progression of class 10 Icsc board mathematics. I think you have understood what I have told, what I have said in this live stream. Please give me some like and subscription. Please like and subscribe my channel so I get motivated and bring more videos for you. I guaranteed you that I will teach each and every chapter of class 10 Icsc mathematics in near future. Okay, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Now I am switching off my live stream and I will meet you later. Thank you.